Welcome back to the Midwest Mixer. Today we are going to make the Chocolate Orange Espresso Martini. I know it's a mouthful, but I promise it's delicious. To start off here, we are going to chill down our martini glass. Because I don't know about you guys, but I do not have a blast chiller in my house. And we want this martini nice and cold. While that's chilling down, we're going to dive into the cocktail itself. You're going to need some espresso, you're going to need vodka, some orange liqueur, and of course some chocolate liqueur. Now, there are two different kinds of chocolate liqueur. There is a clear one and there is a brown one. Normally for this cocktail, you would use the brown chocolate liqueur. I unfortunately do not have that today, so this cocktail is going to look a little bit lighter with the finished product, but that's okay because it still tastes delicious. We're going to start off with 1 ounce of our espresso, 1/2 ounce of our orange liqueur, 1 ounce of our chocolate liqueur, and then 1.5 ounces of your choice of vodka. Then, fun fact, this is actually an entire mixing vessel. So you want to make sure that you have got plenty of ice all the way up to the top. And we're going to shake this cocktail until the entire shaker is nice and cold in our hand. And then we are going to strain this into our now chilled down martini glass. But for a garnish, we are going to use a chocolate syrup and we are going to decorate our beautiful martini glass. The fun fact is you can have fun here with this and make it as pretty as you would like. Even though it has the chocolate liqueur in there, we're going to give it just a little bit of a spritz. We're going to take an orange peel and we are going to express that over the top of the martini just to give it a little bit more orange to it. But there you have it, our chocolate orange espresso martini. Until the next pour, guys, cheers.